Your press-on nails do not fit right. The trailing edge is obviously warped. It's easy to fall off. Today I will share with girls a new method that is useful and easy to operate. It's this kind of adhesive gel that doesn't flow. How to use adhesive gel. First step. Polish the nail surface until it is smooth. Use an alcohol pad to wipe off the dirt. Time to wait for nails to dry. Use a nail file to polish the back of the nail. This will make it more fit and firm. Wipe it clean with alcohol pads. Use the end of the nail to get the glue directly. The amount of glue should be based on the size of your nails. Novices can use clean fingers to press the glue open. Be sure to use alcohol pads first. Wipe the dust off your fingers. When applying, keep the back edge of the nail piece about 1 millimeter away from the back edge of the nail. While pushing, press down again. This kind of adhesive will not rebound when you loosen your hand. You can slowly adjust it before turning on the light until satisfied. This glue is not sticky. You can use your fingers to rub off unnecessary glue directly on the surface. It's normal for fingertips to have glue spillage like this. Don't panic. Just use a nail remover to scrape off the excess glue. Press it again and prepare to light up. When the fingers are ready, requires lighting for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to turn over and light it with every angle. Girls with larger nails can bake them for longer. The manicure applied like this is very strong and long-lasting, and there will be no bubbles. Remember to follow me. I will share other tips with you in the future. Good ways to wear press on nails.